Hey guys, and welcome to Go Math Lesson 9.3. Today we're going to be looking at graphing ordered pairs, but for today's lesson, we're going to be graphing data with ordered pairs. Graphing is a way of presenting data to the viewer that makes it a lot easier to see the numbers. It almost presents a picture of the numbers rather than just the numbers themselves. Let's take, for example, this set of data here. In this set of data, the temperature was recorded throughout the day to reveal how it increases or how it decreases. For example, in the first hour, the temperature was 61 degrees. In the second hour, in the third hour, the temperature was 65 degrees. So you can see in the 2 hours, the temperature rose by 4 degrees. What they've done already is graphed these two ordered pairs onto this graph. Now, remember from yesterday's lesson in 9.2, we talked about ordered pairs being presented like this: a parenthesis, the x, comma, then the y, parenthesis. Notice that this data over here is not presented like that. So in order to graph them, we have to put them into an x, y format. All right, let's go ahead and do that now by looking at their data. Their first set of data was 161. Now go over here and look at the graph. You'll notice that time is on the bottom and temperature is on the side. So whatever the time is must be the x coordinate. So again, time is the x coordinate. Temperature is the y coordinate. So let's go back to that chart and look at what we got. In hour number 1, the temperature was 61. So that means that our first ordered pair is 161. So we're going to go over 1, up 61, just like they did. And they already plotted it for us. Okay, next ordered pair, 365. So we go over 3, up 65. Now you'll notice there is no 65. We got a 70, we got a 60. So 65 obviously goes right in the middle, which is what they did here. All right, this next one they didn't do for us, so we'll do it on our own. The next ordered pair is 571. So let's go plot that. I'll go over 5 and up to 71. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. I'm saying 71 is got to be like just above 70 a little bit. So like right there. So 571, I'm going to put it right there. All right. Next ordered pair is 775. So I'm going to go over to the 7, up to 75, which should be right in the middle. 775. Whoa, that's a little high, I think. Maybe like there. That might even be a skosh. Like there, maybe? All right, and the last one's 977. So I'll go over to 9, up to 77, which should be pretty close to 80. So I'll put it right there. All right, now what you can do is connect those ordered pairs in a graph. And I think that would look something like this. The first hour, second hour, third hour, fourth hour, fifth hour. So by looking at this just as a picture, you could see that as the day goes on, the temperature increases. All right. Another thing you're going to be asked to do is write the ordered pairs for each point, which is what we kind of already did. The ordered pairs would be 161, 161. Next ordered pair would be 365, 365. Next ordered pair would be 571. So we'll go 571. 775. 775. And last would be 977. So 977. Okay, other things they may ask you to do on this is to think about the graph. Like in letter B, how would the ordered pairs be different if the outdoor temperature were recorded every hour instead of if we're recorded every hour for 4 consecutive hours. Because instead of what we did, these were recorded every 2 hours. So what I would say to this is that the temperature increased faster because we only recorded every 2 hours. So a possible answer might be there would be 4 ordered pairs, and you would record the temperature more frequently, or the graph would rise slower. Because think about it. If there was an hour 2 right here, wouldn't the temperature be like 63 if there was an hour 2? It wouldn't quite be 65, but it'd be more than 61. So it would rise slower. So to answer this, I would say something along the lines of there would be 4 ordered pairs and the temperature would rise slower. All right, you guys, that's kind of all I got for you today. It's using data to graph ordered pairs and put them on a graph. Remember, the Y goes up, the X goes left to right, and ordered pairs are presented in parenthesis, comma, parenthesis, number, comma, number, parenthesis, X first, Y second. All right, that's all I got for you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. See ya.